The respected principal, Dr. Shivakumar Ayya, is requested to kindly deliver the welcome speech.
Good morning to all of you. At the outset, I submit my reverential pranams at the lotus feet of His Holiness Dr. Shri Shri Shivakumar Swamiji and Shri Shri Siddhalinga Swamiji. Chief guest of this graduation day ceremony, respected Dr. M.R. Srinivasan, respected Dr. K. Siddhappa, Chairman Governing Council of SIT and President ceremony, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, graduating students and their parents, invitees and friends from media. Today we have assembled here for the celebration of 8th graduation ceremony of our institute. Our institute is an autonomous institute affiliated to Visvesvaraya Technological University, Belagavi, and approved by UGC and AICTE. Under the autonomous system, our students are not allowed to compete at the university level and are deprived of securing gold medals, ranks and awards. Hence, we have to honor our students by conferring medals and awards for their excellent performance, and hence this graduation ceremony. Today, topper of each course will be given SIT gold medal instituted by the institute. In addition to this, there are gold medals and cash awards instituted by teachers, alumni and philanthropists. Topper among all the BE programs, that is topper of the institute, will be given Dr. Shri Shri Shivakumar Swamiji medal. Dr. Shri Shri Shivakumar Swamiji, our revered founder president SSCS, is a busy personality and is guiding his successor Shri Shri Siddhalinga Swamiji in running the Siddhalinga Gurukula, which is nurtured by Swamiji, where 9,000 poor students of all faiths and communities are provided with free food, shelter and education. Shri Shri Swamiji has kindly agreed to grace this ceremony, and Swamiji will be joining us later. On behalf of all of us, I extend reverential welcome to His Holiness Dr. Shri Shri Shivakumar Swamiji, who will be joining us later. Shri Shri Siddhalinga Swamiji, revered President Shri Siddhalinga Education Society, has assumed the full responsibility of looking after the 125 educational institutions and Shri Siddhaganga Gurukula. Shri Shri Swamiji is a busy personality. In spite of his busy schedule, Shri Shri Swamiji has kindly agreed to grace this occasion and bless all of us today. In fact, he had puja in Bangalore. He did perform the puja in Bangalore in the early morning, and he is with us. On behalf of all of us, I extend devotional welcome to His Holiness Shri Shri Siddhalinga Swamiji. When we extended invitation to respected Dr. M.R. Srinivasan through Dr. K. Siddhappa, our Governing Council Chairman, Dr. Srinivasan has readily agreed to be the chief guest and deliver the graduation ceremonial address. Sir, I thank you profusely for having accepted our invitation. Sir, it is a great honor and a rare privilege to have you in our midst, and I extend a very hearty welcome to you, sir. It gives me immense pleasure in extending a warm welcome to respected Dr. K. Siddhappa, Chairman of our Governing Council and former Vice Chancellor of Bangalore University, who is guiding us constantly in our endeavor of taking SIT to greater heights. I request him to preside over this function, and once again I extend him a very warm welcome. Respected Shri T.K. Nanjundappa, Secretary Shri Siddhaganga Education Society, has made it convenient to be with us for this function. Sir, I extend a very cordial welcome to you. It gives me immense pleasure to extend a very hearty welcome to Dr. M.N. Channabasappa, our respected director, who will be administering the oath to the graduating students. I wish to place on record the valuable guidance being offered by our distinguished Governing Council and Academic Council members in running the institute and enhancing the academic standards of SIT. It is my special privilege to extend a very hearty welcome to all of them. It gives me immense pleasure in extending a warm welcome to the members of Sri Siddhaganga Education Society and members of Board of Management of Sri Siddhaganga Education Society and also the invitees. It gives me great pleasure in extending a very hearty welcome to our Controller of Examinations and Deans. Many of our faculty members, alumni and philanthropists have instituted gold medals to toppers of courses or subjects and have responded to our invitation. I acknowledge their kind gesture with a sense of gratitude and I extend them a very warm welcome. Graduation Day ceremony is a festive and joyful occasion for the graduating students and their parents. This special occasion celebrates reaching of a milestone in the form of recognition of a hard-earned degree by our young friends, which they will cherish as they march on in their lives. So it is befitting that we are commemorating the road that we have all traveled together these last few years. Dear graduating students, today is a special moment in your lives and we applaud your achievements. I congratulate all the graduating students who will be receiving the gold medals, cash awards and provisional degree certificates in a short while from now. We congratulate your parents as well as faculty and staff, all of whom have made your success possible. It is indeed a great privilege for me to extend a very hearty welcome for all the graduating students and their respected parents who are present here. I wish all the graduating students the very best in their future endeavors. I invite all of you to join our proud and accomplished family of 33,000 SIT alumni. Whenever we send invitations for press meet, our friends from electronic and print media attend the meet with full quorum and give a wide coverage about our institute and also our accomplishments. I acknowledge this kind gesture of our friends from electronic and print media with a sense of gratitude and I extend a very hearty welcome to all our friends present here. I extend a very cordial welcome to all my esteemed colleagues and invitees present here. Before I conclude my welcome address, I would like to give a brief account of our institute. Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, Tumkur, popularly known as SIT, was established in the year 1963 and is one among the 125 institutions run by our benign management, Sri Siddhaganga Education Society, founded and nurtured by His Holiness Padma Bhushan Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumar Swamiji, a centenarian. At the time of inception, the institute was offering only 3 programs, namely Civil, Electrical and Mechanical Engineering with an intake of 120. Now the institute is offering 12 UG programs and 14 MTech programs, MBA and MCA programs. The total student strength of the institute is 4,600. 16 departments of the institute are recognized as research centers by Vishweshwaraya Technological University. 198 scholars are pursuing their research studies leading to PhD degree at these research centers. The institute has 349 experienced, qualified and devoted faculty members, out of whom 105 have PhD degree from reputed institutions like IISc Bangalore, IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Guwahati and others. Another 77 of our faculty members are pursuing PhD program at various reputed institutions. SIT is ranked among the top 100 engineering institutions of the country, along with IITs and NITs under National Institutional Ranking Framework, that is NIRF, MHRD, Government of India. In 2016, SIT was ranked at the 70th place. In 2017, we are at 72 position. SIT is placed in the gold category in AICTE CII Survey of Industry-Linked Technical Institutions of 2015. Our faculty members have considered research as an integral part of teaching and are actively engaged in research. Now SIT has sponsored research projects of total funding of rupees 80 million. The research work and project works carried out by our faculty and students has resulted in good number of publications in conferences and referee journals and enabled us to file 60 patents. Our students have brought many laurels to the institution in participating in various competitions. I mention only one, that is Smart India Hackathon 2017. It is a 36-hour non-stop digital product development competition in which thousands of engineering students across the country participated. Team from SIT, Mr. Rishabh Goswami, Nishank Kumar Pandey, Archana S., Patikrit Paul, Rishabh Raj, Kushal Nagraj, guided by Prabhu CP, Assistant Professor CSE, participated in the grand finale and secured second runner-up prize with a cash award of rupees 50,000. I am happy to report that the students and faculty members of SIT have taken up a project of designing, fabricating and launching of a nano satellite with a financial assistance of 2.5 crore from the management. Reputed industries including Amazon, Akamai, Informatica, TCS, Wipro, Mindtree, JP Morgan, Zscaler, L&T, BEL, Arisent, Oracle and BrahMos are visiting our institute for campus placements. About 75% of the eligible students are being placed through the campus placement. The institute has a 33,000 strong network of alumni spread over in 24 countries. Thank you all.